to another afternoon hiking. And look who's with us. Yay! Raj, hello. Hello, Raj. Are you excited? What do you want to do? What do you want to hike? What do you want to see?
The snail.
Okay, you want to see the snail? Okay, good luck, Raj. You can do that. Slowly. So we're going to start the trek now with that little boy leading us. Wait, no, Raj. Follow Daddy. Okay, don't step on it. So our background music today is the sound of the crickets.
That's why they're like, because there was nothing there, right?
Yes, I could not hold on to something. Okay, be careful.
I'm gonna fly.
Don't jump. What? Well,
I'm gonna slip down.
yeah. Daddy. Okay, go.
Oh God. Oh. That jump? No.
It's a zigzag trail. Daddy will help you, Raj. Don't just jump. It's so dangerous.
On my foot. I'm gonna jump there. Help me. No, snail.
Okay, so let them enjoy. Ah, it's big.
It looks like
You have to touch also, Raj. Find one.
are they dead?
No, they're not.
Then why they are hiding in the why are they hiding inside of the shell?
Yeah, that's their house. They're not hiding.
Give me. They're gonna drown. Yeah, they're like poops. They are poops.
Don't hold your mouth or your face.
They are poops.
Try to get one, Raj.
They are poops. Okay. 3, 2. What is this a frog?
There's no frog. Actually, it's his first time to go here and to probably touch a snail or to hold a snail. We were telling him last time about his experience and he told us that he wanted to go here and experience the same thing. He saw our video last time. Get some more, Raj.
Buoy. Hey! What if I bite it?
No, he said, what if he bites it? No, I don't like
I'm
that.
the big one.
I see.
What if it just come out like a mama?
Balik na natin. Bye there.
What if I throw it?
Yeah, you have to return that.
Okay, I'm gonna return it to the leaves.
Not on the leaves. It should be on the water.
What if I broke it? Broke the house. I'm a bowling ball.
We just walked for 45 minutes and we have already reached this area.
Snail.
Yeah, you can get some
I
more.
want to touch more.
Makikita mo.
The black one. You can see some black spots.
Puti ka
Here.
yan.
Ay,
Here.
here. There, that's all.
Ito oh. Yan. Ito pa oh. Yan ang dami.
What? Ay. enjoying his first experience here. What do you have?
Snails.
Could you show it to them?
Wait.
You're no longer afraid, right?
Snails.
It's his first time to actually touch snails. So when he heard us talking about it, he said he wanted to see the same thing. Okay.
Why are they not going out?
Oh.
Them.
Of course, you're holding them. They are afraid. You might eat them alive.
What?
What?
Ew.
Okay, so see you later.
I'm gonna get the snails.
Where are you gonna bring? Are you gonna bring them home?
Yes.
No, they will die there. You have to return later, okay?
Yeah. What? No, when we go up, we're gonna go back down again.
No, we're not going back here. We're passing through another way.
When we're going down to the school, are we gonna go here?
No, we're going straight to the road, main road.
Then
He wanted to go back here. Let's see.
You want to bring that?
I want to see the face of
You want to bring
snails.
that?
They won't go out.
Good.
Okay, see you later.
Good.
You want to bring that?
No, don't do it again.
I sleep here.
Okay, you don't have to do it again, Raj. You just explain to them. Be careful next time. You might hurt your leg.
I just went.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go there, bridge.
Not bring.
It's not a bridge, it's a banana tree. Actually, this kind of activity is another way of diverting your child's attention from their gadget to nature. See?
Balance.
Actually, Raj loves to play online games, but by, telling him some stories about the mountains, he got excited and he joined us. Yeah, I'm taking a video. Raj, you might fall, okay?
But you're doing it the wrong way. You're doing it the wrong way.
No.
Huh? Oh.
It's focused on you. Like what I was saying, this is another good technique to make your kids, especially the young ones, drop their cell phones and enjoy the mountain. Yes. What about? Hey, be careful, Raj, huh? Daddy holds him. No. Go. Be careful, Raj, huh? You might break your bone. Easy. Wait. Here's my problem now. Okay, go.